Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect Printful to your website on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you've not already. If you do not have the website open up, you can go ahead and open it up right here, log into your account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can find all the websites you can access. And you want to go ahead and find the website that you want to connect to Printful. So what you can do is click the website option right here. That's going to open up your website. And now in this main page right here, we're at the left side of the screen where we can find all the options we can access, such as pages, styles, and so on. What we want to do is to go ahead and find this option right here and find the commerce option right here and the options that you have. If you cannot find the commerce option right here under products and services, then you'll not be able to connect it directly from Squarespace. So what we will have to do, as you can see on this help Printful website, it shows us how to connect to Squarespace. So if you cannot find the commerce section right here on your Squarespace to connect, what you can do is go to your Printful account and go to the store section. There you want to choose your platform and choose Squarespace, and then you want to click connect. After clicking connect, just log in with your Squarespace account, and after that you'll be able to successfully connect to Squarespace, and now you can go ahead and successfully add your products from Printful to Squarespace right here. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.